we go. We're going to break the first screw off for the 2x72.
That's fine. That's just the carbide in the plastic containers rattling around. But none of the actual packaging or containers itself are flopping around. So that's good. Off to the post office, and
we gotta take a little bit more over here, just a little bit, and she'll go right in.
Wire EDM.
She's like right there.
My friend cut them very close to normal size.
Be back in a minute.
2mm ID. Through bore of the spindle. That's from.
All right, so we're not in. I thought I had it recording the whole time. I just did that. I filed the end down, not put a chamfer on the end of it. This is where we're going to thread it at. So, yeah, that's what I did right there.
Close to no carbide dust in the.
Now we got to dust it off a little bit in order for it to fit.
I was surprised how easy it is with the setup to hit.
Be back in a minute.
Without any changes.
All right, there you go. Really so at this point, we got it fit. I can't get it to go on there, right? So that's a good fit, but that's a little loose for me. So let's try this.
That you also would use in your die grinder for deburring. Is rated for cancerous and dangerous materials. Here you can see starting at the Here's a close-up of two of the bushings. Left is the 2.1mm and here is the 4.1mm one. You can see that the radius after grinding on the CNC and a little bit of polishing, maybe 2 or 3 minutes of polishing with the die grinder on the lathe, really leaves a very nice finish here. A tiny edge break here. Same on this side, tiny edge break so we don't have a sharp edge. And on the back side,
Lord have mercy, I hope I don't mess this part up.
Same thing, edge break on the bore and on the OD on both parts. Well, on all 8 of course, but I only have 2 in the picture here. And when we try to see inside, idea of the surface finish from the ID grinding, which is really not bad despite this jerry-rigged ID grinding setup. I think the surface finish is really a serviceable. I guess I can polish it up to the same finish as the radius here. As far as I understand, it's not necessary. I'm just doing the radius because it's very fast to do, and as far as I understand, something runs over the radius over here. So better surface finish doesn't hurt here. Here are the two the direct plated diamond tools. The grit is
Alright, y'all, so I turned the volume down. I recorded the TV as I was doing this video. A mistake, but I'm sure you don't want to hear Stefan Gustafsson, talk about his small, teeny tiny little parts on my video. So, with that being said, Stefan, thank you for the video, though. It was amazing. Always get a lot of information from Stefan. Highly intelligent guy. Anyway, thank you for watching. Coming back again to watch. And I really appreciate you sticking around with the channel. So let me say this real quick. I had a couple people that dropped off this week. 2 subscribers. I hope I didn't offend no one. Listen, I do a video, you guys comment. Some of you guys get a little ignorant. Say dumb stuff. And I'm not apparently it's like I'm not supposed to react to it, or if I do react to it, I'm supposed to kiss your ass, right? And you got the wrong person for that, Slim. I don't kiss ass, I'm not good at that. But I am good at telling you the facts and what is real, right? I'll tell you, boy, some people just say the dumbest of things. Anyway, if I offended anyone, I just wanted to apologize. And if you had to leave the channel, God bless you. I hope it wasn't because I offended you. I hope it was just because this channel wasn't for you. And I hope you find a channel that is for you. thank you for coming along for the ride as long as you did. And I hope you grew from the engagement like I did. I really appreciate you. So anyway, as you can see here, I'm still trying. I even got the file on it right now. And it's going to put a pretty pattern on it that I like. But that pretty scratch pattern ain't going to help it to go on to the bearing journal. Not at all. It's going to take a whole lot of filing to get it there. I guess I was just hoping and praying it would kind of go right. Yeah, you're right. Right? You're right, right? I say, yeah, right, right? Looking good there, though.
This is like Xometry, which is a online platform to, that's an online quoting platform. You as a customer upload your part files, made quote back. And then we as Xometry partners get a job board and we see those parts, and we get a predefined price, and we can put in counter offers for the price on these parts and also counter offer for the lead time on the part. And that's one way to get work, but relying solely on places like Xometry sounds very dangerous to me. I use it just to...
Alright, so here's what I want to say, right? I think a mistake that I'm making is I should have started with the I should have started with the collet chuck. And the reason why I say that is because if I'd have started with the collet chuck, I wouldn't have had to worry about moving the part in the chuck. Once you move it in the three jaw chuck, there is no locating it back to the same position. I don't care how hard you try it. You locate it straight, but it'll never... I should have did it in the collet chuck starting out with. Now, I don't know if I made a mistake yet or not. I'm going to have to give this a whirl, but I feel like it's over. We got our first scrap part out the way. Let's check it out and see. So yeah, we got one scrap part. Alright. We're going to scrap this and we're going to start over again, but we're putting the collet chuck on it. The R32 collet chuck. And we're going to run it like that. And hopefully it stays concentric and runs all the way down like that, and we ain't got to worry about that. But at this point, that's all scrap. We're not even going to do that. So alright, y'all, so I just straightened out the headstock, right? The headstock and tailstock, let's see. Let's keep it that way. Right, and we're just gonna let it ride. Ready? Let that bad boy ride all the way down. Let you see it. She's on auto feed. Gorgeous, ain't it? Ain't that beautiful? Just wanted to show y'all that. I fixed the tail stop. I moved that tail stop over just a little bit. You could do that with a collar chuck. Collar trucks usually run concentric. Get yourself a good shaft that you could put up in there. My tail stopped back down a little bit, but yeah. Okay, so let's make sure it's, well, the problem is that it's actually wanting to push that back a little bit, but even moving it back, you can see, ain't nothing changed. Not even the phone number. It's still the same. Hey, thank y'all for watching. Just wanted to show y'all that. Good day.